Okay, this is the prototype of my tank. This is one side of the track that I've completed. And as you can see, there is a lot of tank tracks. And so to get an idea of how it's built, and so I'll go into details here on the parts of it. The original tank I got off of was an Instructables, and it's been scaled up 300%. The cogs here are scaled up. Let's see if we can get a better example right here. Okay, you got the cog, and I found some bearings on Thingiverse, and they used the 5mm balls, but I scaled up one side up 106%, and then another bearing down 95%, so these two would fit together using BBs. So that worked out good, and it fits right on the cog. And then what I got here is the electronics out of a RC car, and a battery, and one motor, and the tip of this is like an Allen wrench. The gearbox you can get on Thingiverse. It's the input is a Allen wrench size, so I scaled this up to fit this RC car Allen right here. I scaled up this up 25% so it would fit, and then I had a planetary gear set I got off of Thingiverse, and I scaled it up 150% so it would fit on the other side, would fit right in, and so I epoxied the inner cog on. Let me get an example of that here in a second. And then I don't know how many tracks I got, but it is a lot of tracks. Anyways, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cogs. And yeah, seems to work pretty good. Moves freely, real easy with the bearings. And this tiny motor, RC car motor, can push this along, no problem at all. I kind of put Vaseline on all the bearings and all the guide areas where the track is sliding, and so we're going to run it into the fridge here. See, as you can see, we'll have plenty of torque. Keep on going. So it's ran into the fridge. Yeah, so yeah. Part 2 will be both tracks put together into a full tank. And yeah, it's hard to believe this thing 6 volts and it's running on a little tiny RC car motor.